What's up everyone, how are you right now? Hope you have a good day my friends. In today's video we are going to discuss the AMC stock, what's going on in AMC stock, what's the current price of AMC stock, and what will be the next move of AMC. Investor of AMC personally ask me questions about AMC stock, that when there's a chances to the price pump and we get profit from AMC stock my friends. So first of all, before starting this video, I request all of you that please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. It is time 34.06 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the AMC stock, and furthermore my friends, you can see here the price changes is negative 2.57%. the price falls down in the last 24 hours my friends, and you can see here 2.14 million is the after 1 hour's volume of the AMC stock. So my friends, now the rate of investor is very fastly increasing. Every hour the investor is increased day every hour by hour my friends. So my friends, if the rate of investor is going to increase, so they have to also the price start increasing my friends. So if the rate of investor increase, so the price also increase my friends, don't worry. But on the other hand, if you talk about the price chart, so you can see from the price chart that's also clear that the price of the AMC stock is continuously down. So you can see now at this time in nowadays the situation is going neutral my friends. But you know what, my personal prediction, my opinion is going positive about AMC stock, and I'm sure that everything will be going good my friends, and everything will be positive my friends. You can see here millions, the shares outstanding is 500 to 1.78 million, the shares outstanding, and public float is 500 million my friends. So you can see here revenue per employee is 43.64 K is the revenue per employee my friends. So the changes is going good my friends. Just wait for the pumping time of the AMC stock my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about AMC stock? Please just share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.